What happens today when a vehicle crashes, and how much of that process can be automated? We developed Fleet Easy, an Android-based fleet safety solution that automatically detects vehicle collisions and instantly generates a synchronized evidence bundle, including the 10 seconds video leading up to the impact, images and telemetry, GPS, which can be shared immediately with fleet managers or designated responders. Triple lock detector with adjustable thresholds comes into play. Our goal is to help fleets reduce accident investigation time, improve incident documentation, and support faster liability assessment. Would this solve a problem for your fleet? Would this evidence reduce the work required to investigate a collision? Is this data useful for reconstructing the event? Would this change how you assess risk or claims? We're inviting a limited number of fleet safety and insurance professionals to evaluate Fleet Easy's automated accident evidence technology. Here are the links for your better understanding in terms of ROI and technology: Fleet Easy User Guide, ROI Calculator, Overview, and Onboarding.